behind every missed deadline, quality issue, or stalled project lies a hidden solution: your data. The real opportunity isn't in just collecting information, it's using it to connect teams with actionable processes. The Autodesk Fusion Platform brings your design, engineering, and production workflows into one connected system, coordinating the flow of information across the enterprise so your teams move faster, make smarter decisions, and never lose sight of what's next. IMAGINiT's experts ensure a tailored solution integrated into your digital ecosystem, automated around your goals, and built to scale with you. By connecting the technology your teams use to create and consume data, Autodesk Fusion Platform transforms chaotic data silos into a single source of truth, empowering faster collaboration and smarter decisions. Unify your digital ecosystem and transform data chaos into operational efficiency.